Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you some super lovely and attractive ideas of crochet coasters with flower work or different border edging patterns. WhatsApp number 034563000924 is given on screen for order purpose. If you are from Pakistan, you can just contact on this WhatsApp number and book your customized order of these beautiful crochet coasters. You can see all of these coasters designs are having unique crochet flower works on them and are looking very attractive and gorgeous. Some of the designs are having flower buds pattern for border edges of these coasters like this one, which is also looking very attractive and lovely. So I hope you're gonna love these designing ideas. You can see all of these designs are made with different color schemes. All you need to do to have them is contact on WhatsApp number 03546300924 if you are from Pakistan. So you can just send the screenshot over of the design which you want to have and have a set of 6 pieces of these coasters which are very attractive and lovely in any specific color scheme which you like. So your order would be made and delivered to you within 6 to 10 working days according to the design and size which you will choose for your coaster. And other than these kinds of coaster, you can order any crochet product as well. Like you can order crochet baby frock sets, any other baby accessory, crochet hats, crochet shoes for babies. You can order ladies accessories like sweaters, cardigans, shrugs, bolero jackets, pocket shawls. You can order home accessories like bedspreads, cushion covers, sofa covers. You can order table runners, etc. So every type of product can be purchased on customization on the WhatsApp number which is given on screen 034563000924. All you need to do to book your order is sending a screenshot of the design which you want to have on the WhatsApp number and then tell the requirements of your order, and it will be made and delivered to you according to the timeline of your product which will be given to you. So just book your order right now, and if you are interested in learning crochet work, you will also find beginner friendly pattern videos, lessons of beginner friendly stitches patterns on this channel already, because other than these kinds of ideas videos, I do upload crochet tutorial videos here on my channel as well. So you will find every type of square patterns, round patterns tutorial videos available on my channel, and many of the baby accessories tutorial videos and pocket shawls, blankets, etc. tutorial videos are also available on my channel. So stay connected to get them all. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.